Codesignal Arcade Array Replace. Hello Internet, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving this Codesignal problem, Array Replace. Alright, given an array of integers, replace all the occurrences of elemToReplace with substitutionElem. Okay, so if it's 1 has to be replaced with 3, then this array should show 3, 2, 3. I think it's straightforward. I don't think I have to write this down. Let's get right to it. I think first of all we have to iterate through each index of the input array, and when we input it, we iterate all values. That's why we go through the length of it. Excuse me, plus, and we want to return the input array when it's done being modified. This could take about on time because we iterate through each element. On and O1 space because we're not going to change the let's see, hold for a second. We're not going to create a new array. We're just going to use the same one, except we'll just change that value. So let's see, if I can even make this a ternary condition actually. Input array in equal to elem to replace. Then we make it elem to replace. Else, oh no, sorry, we make it substitution to replace. Else, we just leave it alone. There you go. And when we run this test, it should all pass. And yes. Holy cow, that was easy. I think I'll just walk over the test again. So we walk through each index of the array, and if it has its value that we want to replace it with the substitutionElem, and return the array. Hope you guys enjoyed this question. Please like and subscribe if you think this is not challenging, because I don't think it is, and I think you should like and subscribe. No, just kidding. Have a good day, guys.